Color your language. Mastering adjectives. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our latest episode on Grammar Fundamentals. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of adjectives. These are the words that bring color, texture, and life to our language. By the end of this video, you'll be able to define what adjectives are, understand their usage, and apply them in your English sentences. Let's get started. What is an adjective? At its most basic level, an adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. It's a word that tells us more about that person, thing, or idea. For example, let's consider the sentence, I have a dog. Now, if we add an adjective to this sentence, it becomes, I have a big dog. The word big is an adjective because it tells us more about the dog, the noun in the sentence. There are many types of adjectives. They can describe size, big, small, color, blue, yellow, number, 1, 2, 3, and more. But no matter the type, all adjectives serve the same function. They describe and give more information about a noun or a pronoun. For example, the sentence, she ate an apple, can be expanded to, she ate a red, juicy apple. Here, red and juicy are adjectives that give more information about the noun, apple. In English, adjectives usually come before the noun they're describing. This is called the attributive position. For instance, in the phrase, cold water, cold, is an adjective that comes before the noun, water. But adjectives can also come after the verb in a sentence, especially with the verb, to be. This is called the predicative position. For example, in the sentence, the water is cold, cold, is an adjective that comes after the verb, is. And there we have it, a whirlwind tour of adjectives. By using adjectives effectively, you can add detail, color, and vibrancy to your language. Remember, adjectives are your friends. They help you express your thoughts more clearly and vividly. So, use them wisely and generously to spice up your English conversations and writings. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more episodes on Grammar Fundamentals. Happy learning!